Today we're going to go over how to create your own custom title block for class. First, open Start Mechanical Design and we're going to work with the drafting workbench. Make sure that you change the sheet type to ANSI and letter size because that's the type of paper that we use in our printers. Now we're going to change our units. Tools options. Change the units to inches. Now, be sure to go to Mechanical Design, Drafting, and we're going to change our grid size. The primary spacing becomes 1/4 inch with 1 graduation per space, meaning our grid will have 1/4 inch blocks. To display the grid if it's disappeared, make sure you enable it at the bottom toolbar. Now, let's save the file in a known location and give it a familiar name. You are going to reuse this file throughout the semester. At this point, the sheet can also be renamed as blank. To start drawing the title block, we will do it on the sheet background. We have regular drafting tools available, such as line, for example, or the profile, or pre-made shapes, such as a rectangle. Following the guide from class with the given measurements, we use either the line tool or the profile tool to complete the title block. You can use the measurements provided by the cursor to know the length of the line. To keep the command active, double-click on it and you're able to use it in sequence without having to click on the command again. Once you're done, deactivate the command by pressing the escape key twice in a row. Now we are ready to input the text information. You can edit the text and make it bold. If the sizing of the font is not correct, you can change that in the options by selecting the paper unit to be in millimeters. Now you can see the font size is in millimeters. You can move the text by holding the Shift key while you move it. The rest of the text we are going to align in one go. So now we put all the text boxes in more or less the correct locations. Do not worry about the position of the text. We can reposition it in a moment by dragging the boxes to the desired location on the title block. At this point, we can select all the text boxes at once by holding the Control key and clicking on them, and edit the fonts at the same time. We can also hold the Shift key and reposition all the boxes to keep them aligned. Now exit back to Working View and save your work after ensuring that everything looks correct.